Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll share with you my unboxing and my first impressions of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. So let's check it out. Now starting from the unboxing, the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro comes in a black box with a very premium gold color text of the 108 megapixel on the top left, with the 10T logo in the middle and Pro 5G down below. Opening the box, you'll find another black box, where in there you'll find a very unique clear phone case, a USB-C to a headphones dongle, and the warranty card and a user guide as well. Then outside of the box, you'll find the SIM ejector pin. Then underneath, you'll find the phone itself. Below that, you'll find the USB-A to USB-C cable and the 33-watt fast charging brick. Now starting from the design and build, looking at the back, it is made of glass with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which surely looks like a premium flagship phone. Then the rear cameras are placed towards the left side of the phone with quite a huge camera bump due to its main large lens, where it is arranged in a very unique way, as you guys can see. Now the phone's frames are made of aluminium, and then the front has a flat screen display with the hole punch camera on the top left. Now Xiaomi has decided not to use the in-display fingerprint sensor for the phone, where they went with the side physical fingerprint sensor instead, which of course unlocks really fast. Now the Mi 10T Pro comes in 3 colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I have is called the Cosmic Black, and it also comes in Luna Silver and Aurora Blue. As for the phone screen, it has a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Yeah, it's not a Super AMOLED display, but during my first impressions using the phone close to a week, it still looks great with the HDR10 certification, especially with a really high refresh rate of 144 Hz, which made scrolling and multitasking on the phone very seamless and smooth indeed. Now as for the phone spots and buttons, the volume rockers and the power button with the integrated fingerprint sensor is on the right. Down below there is the USB-C port, a mono-firing speaker and the SIM card slot with no micro SD card expansion. Then on top you'll find the IR blaster over there. Now as for the phone's camera specs, the main lens is a massive 108 megapixel f1.69 aperture, a 13 megapixel f2.4 ultra wide angle lens and a 5 megapixel f2.4 macro lens. Then the 2 other circles that you see over here is the ambient light sensor and of course the camera's flash. So yes, with this interesting camera arrays, I'm really eager to test out all these cameras, especially for all the cool features that it comes together with the phone during my full video review. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to this channel if you guys haven't done so. Then as for the front camera, it has a 20 megapixel f2.2 27mm wide lens. Now as for the video recording, like the Poco X2, because I did not get to review the X3, so yeah. This phone also records up to a massive 8K 7680 by 4320 at 24 frames per second. Then the front camera records up to 1080p up to 30 frames per second, which by now I humbly think it is supposed to at least be in 4K since the processor can handle that high of a resolution. Then as for the insides of the phone, it comes with a Snapdragon 865 chipset with the Adreno 650 GPU, and it comes with 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. Then in terms of the software, it comes shipped with Android 10 with the MIUI 12, where this is the first ever device that I've experienced this version of the MIUI, and based on me using the phone for close to a week, I've gotten to like this new UI, so I can't wait to test this further daily, especially with the high refresh rate. Then as for the phone's battery, the phone comes with a huge 5000 milliamps of battery with 33 watts fast charging, where the charger comes inside of the box as seen earlier. So stay tuned once again for my full video review once I use this phone as my daily driver for more than this week to find out how much of an average screen on time that I get on the phone daily. As for the phone's price here in Malaysia, it is going for only 1,999 ringgit for the 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, and there will be a first sale roadshow for the Mi 10T Pro from the 9th till the 11th of October, where the first 450 customers who make the purchase will receive a free 55-inch Mi TV 4S, and the subsequent 3,000 customers will be receiving a free Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic, and each buyer will be receiving 6 months of Netflix mobile plan while stocks last. And for more info on all of this, I'll leave a link down below. So guys, with this, do let me know what you would like to know about the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro down at the comment section below, and as usual, I'll reply your comments directly when I do the full video review of the phone. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions and the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. And if you liked this video and found this video helpful, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.